Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. By the way guys, ito pala isang portable generator which is 6.5 kilowatt. Actually guys, ang sira talaga dyan ay yung makina niya. Kaya ayun, pina-repair namin, ayos namin, sa awa ng Diyos, ayos na siya guys. So ngayon guys, yung winding rotor niya, tinis namin, at saka pinamigir, at saka yung stator winding niya guys. Pasado yan lahat sa test guys. Migger test at saka resistant test guys. So ngayon, nasimbol na po namin guys para makapira na naman. So yun lang guys. Please follow and subscribe my YouTube channel. Good luck.